Samsung is continuing to expand its popular budget A series, and after launching the Galaxy A07 4G in August, the company is now preparing to introduce the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G. Even before an official announcement, the upcoming device has already made an appearance online, giving us an early look at its core specifications. The Galaxy A07 5G was recently spotted on the Geekbench benchmarking platform, and this listing reveals several important details about the phone's hardware and software. For users looking for an affordable entry into the world of 5G smartphones, this leak makes the Galaxy A07 5G a device worth paying attention to. Galaxy A07 5G appears on Geekbench. According to the Geekbench database, the phone carries the model number SM-A076B, which multiple sources believe belongs to the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G. Geekbench listings usually appear very close to launch, so this strongly suggests that Samsung is in the final stages of preparing the device for release. One of the most surprising and impressive details from the listing is the software version. The Galaxy A07 5G is shown running Android 16, which means Samsung plans to ship this budget phone with its latest operating system right out of the box. This is a big advantage, especially for users who care about long-term software updates. RAM and Performance Overview. The benchmark listing confirms that the Galaxy A07 5G will come with 4 GB of RAM. While this may not sound like much compared to flagship phones, it is still sufficient for everyday tasks such as social media usage, video streaming, browsing, and light multitasking. When it comes to processing power, the phone features an octa-core CPU. According to the leaked data, 6 cores are clocked at 2.00 GHz. 2 high-performance cores run at 2.40 GHz. This configuration perfectly matches the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. MediaTek Dimensity 6300 explained. The MediaTek Dimensity 6300 is not a brand new processor. It was previously used in the Samsung Galaxy A06 5G, where it delivered reliable and power-efficient performance for daily use. This chipset is designed specifically for budget 5G smartphones and offers built-in 5G connectivity, good battery efficiency, smooth performance for everyday apps, stable gaming performance for casual games. With this processor, the Galaxy A07 5G is clearly aimed at users who want a smooth, lag-free experience without paying flagship-level prices. What this means for budget 5G buyers. The Galaxy A07 5G seems to be targeted at a very specific audience. First-time 5G users, students and casual smartphone users, buyers looking for a trusted brand at a lower price, users who want the latest Android version without spending too much. Launching with Android 16 also suggests that Samsung may offer multiple years of software and security updates, which is becoming one of Samsung's strongest advantages in the budget smartphone segment. Expected launch timeline. Although Samsung has not officially announced a launch date yet, the appearance of the Galaxy A07 5G on Geekbench usually means the launch is not far away. Based on previous Samsung release patterns, the phone could be introduced within the next few weeks or months. First in select global markets, as an affordable 5G option under the Galaxy A series. Pricing details are still unknown, but considering its specifications and positioning, the Galaxy A07 5G is expected to remain firmly in the budget category. Final thoughts. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G is shaping up to be a simple, practical, and future-ready smartphone. It may not offer premium features, but it delivers exactly what budget users need. 5G connectivity, a reliable MediaTek chipset, the latest Android version, Samsung's trusted build quality and software support. For anyone looking to upgrade to a 5G phone without spending a lot of money, the Galaxy A07 5G could be a strong and sensible choice once it officially launches.